Hey guys, good morning. It's 2:49 in the morning of April 23rd, 2021. You are with Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I just want to, of course, mention our friends who took the time to make a comment on our video yesterday. So Alan Tibayan, he said, watching from Dubai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much as well for watching and dropping your comment. JV also wanted to request ALLHC. Okay, there you have it. I definitely prioritize that. Thomas also wanted me to check DMC. Okay, so I am going to check out ALLHC and DMC as you guys have requested. Okay, Rubelin, I thank you so much watching from Saudi Arabia. Okay, so these are our featured comments for this evening. All right, so before I start, I'd like to invite everyone, if this is the first time you're watching, feel free to drop, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. All right, so let's talk about PSCI first. Okay, still the same view, not much of a change. It's taking its sweet time. It's another red day, so nothing much. I'm not expecting a lot as of yet. Same areas of potential or possible support for our index, which is around 6.3, around that. I think that was also the area where I plotted before. Actually, today it managed to revisit that level, and there was a slight increase in the price. So let's see if that is indeed a bounce already, but still on the conservative side. So I said I'm going to discuss ALLHC before I proceed with the trending stocks. Okay, so this is interesting. This is a significant drop there. This was your resistance. I hope when the price reached this level earlier and it was starting to decline, and if you were already profitable, I hope you managed to lock in some gains there. But one thing good, what's good about the story here is that looks like it is respecting the MA20 line, because when the price hit that level there was a slight increase, but we're not out of the woods yet. Take a look at this level 314. That could mean something. Okay, it could respect and bounce at that area before it goes up, so that's my support there. DMC still, this is still stabilizing, right? So this is our support. Was this the day when it April 12th? Okay, yeah. So see, always remember that in most of the stocks, maybe except for the stocks in the index, most of the stocks, when it is the next day, it really gaps down. Pretty much the same as what we have experienced for SCC, MBT, GMA7, the same behavior. So just be extra careful if you're just if you are chasing a stock that is already climbing up and very near the X date. So chances are you could be stuck here. Okay, but DMC is a very good company. So just maybe look at it for mid to long term and add more volume when it's it's as cheap as this level. Look at that, very cheap. It has declined significantly and it has not recovered yet. And this stock also gives out consistent dividend. Okay, there's another one, JGS. This is also a request. I feel bearish for this stock. It is triggering the lower Bollinger Band right there, so the selling pressure is still high. Chances are we could have a continuation. We could, I'm thinking 48.83 could even be or 50.32 could even be revisited I don't know, maybe by tomorrow, or even might extend next week. Okay, so those are the stocks that you guys have requested. Let's take a look at the trending ones. Ali, still the same. Looks like it's really going to uh, follow what we had in JGS. The selling sentiment is still high right there. Volume is high, triggering the lower Bollinger Band. So I have all the hints that is giving us a message that potentially this stock is still going to drop some more. So be on the conservative side too. Catch it if the market gives us a chance at the 29.26 level. Okay, so um, actually there's another one. I see a resistance right here, so maybe there could be another possibility that it could drop at the 30.86. So those are the key levels I am seeing at the moment. Hopefully it's not going to go lower than 29.26 because we are already at the oversold. So hopefully that's the outlook there. Maybe what you can do is wait for a green candlestick to come out just to confirm the bounce that's happening. BDO also, I hope you guys had taken profit when the stock rallied for several days. But of course, we don't move on a straight line, so this is given. Uh, First of all, the market or the index is really showing us signs of bearish sentiment. So try to look at it this time for BDO. Just do range trading. Looks like the direction is just moving sideways for now within this range. So let us say you enter at 101.45 and you exit at 106 or 105. Well, it's not that much. So I think this area right now is really looking attractive for our long-term investors. Marymart also revisited. Okay, we were already. I was watching the market movement earlier, and I thought, oh yeah, Marymart is. I think when I saw it, it was still green. It was probably during this time when it was trying to test this 574 area. But unfortunately, it ended with a red 2% down, and we ended at the MA20 line. So for as long as it does not break that, we're still good. During the decline over here, I was able to enter at 5 peso level. So we're still green in that area, but there were also some shares that I bought around the 6 peso. So my average here is around 615, given that I entered previously around this area. So it just did its cost average computation. Oh no, AP, careful with AP. Okay, still bearish. Maybe it could even revisit this wick level over here. There's a wick right here. Yeah, it might go down to that level before it recovers. So still on the bearish side, coming from a constricted Bollinger Band, and we start to trigger the lower band. So chances are there's really a continuation right there. 719 for ACEN. ACEN is giving everyone a chance. Okay, so I'm still plotting a support right here because it could be okay. It could just be a slight overshoot below the MA20 line, and we might see a recovery. So this is the lower high that it formed is not good. Okay, and tomorrow if it continues to drop, then you have a downtrend there in the short term. And because if it goes down, that simply means you have a lower low. So a lower high and a lower low are elements of a downtrend. So find out tomorrow. Maybe what you can do is wait, let the day move, and then try to decide when it's about to end. At least you have 90% of the picture there. Okay, let me end this session with DITO and APL because these stocks are really interesting. Still no significant move. We have 1.5 million in foreign buying, so that's nice. So actually this is an accumulation phase. All right, accumulation phase for DITO. So long-term holders out there, I'm sure they're slowly, buying shares every single day, and then see that our Bollinger Band is very constricted now. I don't know. It probably is just waiting for the big catalyst where all the kiosks and mall spaces of DITO become operational, or when the launch in Metro Manila happens. Maybe that's the catalyst that we have all been waiting for. Right now, it's just pure sideways. No, not much of a movement, no action. Okay, so we're still sitting at a support. APL. APL, likewise, at least, we're already above the MA20 line, so that's another good thing there. But we are still very constricted, so maybe it's just waiting for that catalyst as well before it triggers to the upside. Now, if it goes down and breaks the MA20 line going down, then that's not a good story. Chances are we might drop. But since we're moving above the MA20, so I think we're starting to recover. Okay, so still our support is MA20 line. I still use the MA20, but it could be slightly higher or lower. Okay, so that is it for this evening, guys. This is already a pre-open. Okay, so time now it's 3 in the evening. Market has not opened yet here in the Philippines, but I make it a habit to take the time. This is my commitment to you. I want to make sure at least I could share my insights for the day, and don't take my advice just upfront. Do your research as well, because what's important here is that as you gain tenure, you should be able to independently analyze charts. So the daily videos I'm doing is just to help you, okay, to help you develop your skill in technical analysis. Just probably get inspiration in the thought process, and if you like the indicators I'm using because it's simple, then go ahead, right? I'm not a financial guru. I just have experience in the market. That's why I'm doing this. I also want to document my thoughts. So if it is helpful, don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe as well. Okay, so doing so will really inspire me to continue whatever I'm doing right now. But take the time, guys, to study. Really develop that skill so you can replicate it yourself without the need to watch a video, but still watch my video. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.